2020, super low hours, twin 250s. Power arch, push a button it goes up, push a button it goes down. Arial Surf Platform. There's your twins. Nice big storage area here. You can always put a porta potty in here. And that's the bow filler cushion. Go right in there. Love how they have armrests in this boat. Forward boarding ladder, which is really nice. Got the windscreen there. Nice storage area back in there. Digital display. Filling up your ballast and everything. Just push start on your engines. Tons of room. And like I said, power arch. You get the idea. Love the extended swim platform back here. So nice for surfing. Beautiful boat, great price. Come take a look.